It's a 5.7 by 28 round.
Say what it is again.
FN 57. Nice job, cycled good. Nice job, cycled good. FN 57, Burke red dot sight, standard FN rounds, 5.7 by 28, blue tips.
Going down? Yeah. Going low, right?
You're kind of all over the place. You know, but, you know.
Oh, this can be way off. You can fire it down.
What we have here is SIG 556. Piece of standard 223 556 round piston-driven system. We're going to be using the red dot sighting system on it. First rounds I'm going to be using our Wolf steel case. Not a big fan of them, but we'll see how they work. And then the rest of the rounds, those are 55 grains. And the next rounds I'm going to be using our 68 grains. Cousin John specials. So see how those work. 2 yellow. Okay, see how these feel taste, if I like them or not.
About 5 o'clock.
So far, not liking them.
About 9 o'clock.
Going hot. Bolts open, you're out. Same target. You're on the paper. That was number 2 to the red. That was about number yeah, stay on that target. Is the light bright enough for you?
Oh yeah.
He's shooting a little bit to your right. Nice job. Nice job. Keep that up.
Oh, you're right in the center. Oh, you're tearing the black circle up now. You're tearing the black circle up now.